The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Hope everyone's having a great everyone had a great night and ready for a great day. We are actively in a trade as we come online here. Took this short here. Hopefully it wasn't a mistake. It was into the bands. See it bouncing back up a tad. Bouncing back up more than a tad. Yep, it was a mistake. It was a kind of a quick decision. Or stop there at the top of that candle, but I think it's going to chase it. Hey, Juan. Good morning. Imad. Hey, Mr. G. All right, RJ. We'll see you next Monday. That's going to give Bitcoin a boost. As Mr. G said, we're light on news this morning. Very, very light. Canadian retail sales. That's it. That comes up in, at 8:30. Ouch. And I'm about to get stopped out and start the day down. Ah, man, really? Well, another disaster of a day starting. So we start our day down $230. Gonna be a great good day. The top tick me here probably too. Okay. So markets overnight. Of course, we fell huge yesterday. Both NQ and ES. We've rebounded some. NQ hit a low of 554, shot back up to 645, so about 90 points of range. ES got down to 45.61 up to 45.78. It's about 17 points of range. Kappa falling, sitting right near yesterday's lows right now. About 120 ticks of range. Gold. About 13 points of range. Ultra Bond. About a half a point of range. About maybe 3/4. And crude oil. About a point in range. Bitcoin is sitting at, I don't know, wrong chart. Just under 30,000. And so right back up on this. So it came up, dipped. I thought we were going to continue this dip. Usually if it goes down, up, and then down, that's a continuation. But it decided it didn't want to do that today. So it puts me in the hole to start. Oh, wow. A propane tank yard. Earned a trade, Ahmed. And I want to say trade day as well, but trade day's Tradovate only. Well, I mean, it's Tradovate only, but I mean, you can use it with NinjaTrader. But end of days, no activation fees. They do have data fees once you go live, but the live sim, there's no activation fees. Oh yeah, FOMC next week. Always looking forward to that. So we're gonna try long. Hey Leonardo, how are you doing? Oh, Top Step just made another change. Instead of a 30% consistency rule, they now have a 50% consistency rule. Which means you can get funded in 2 days there, technically. More like 3, because you're not going to hit 50% exactly in 2 straight days. Y'all are hearing me, right? I am not muted. Okay, good. And hey, it looks like in the matter of 10 minutes, I'm going to go down 200 and maybe get it all back. There we go. Target hit. So we're back to break even besides the commissions. I'm not sure why I'm down $36. Did I not get... Oh, I took slippage on that loss. How nice. So I'm down $36, but hey, I feel much better than where I was just literally 5 minutes ago. And that was cool that I didn't hesitate to get right back in when it reversed. That's progress for me. Yeah, I can run the winner thingy. Yay. So, major sell-off yesterday. Overall, we dropped from 925 all the way down to 547 on NQ. So almost a 500-point drop. We are, of course, been recovering some of that. ES we saw fall from 45.94 all the way down to 45.57. Hey Alex, how you doing? So once again, Top Step's getting better. Top Step may end up being, I don't know, number one. We'll see. But that 50% consistency rule instead of 30% is definitely a game changer. Yeah, they're announcing their launch date today sometime. Not sure when exactly that announcement will be. But yeah, I'm watching too. That said, I don't think that their plans or anything are gonna have anything life changing to them. So it's gonna be interesting. Continue to rise back up here. So the dip faked me out. Took that loss, but then came back and immediately took the win. Cat scratching up my chair. Let's look at what everything else is doing here. We see crude oil. Looks like natural gas is starting to fall. Copper dipping. Bond opens in a few minutes. What's the Russell doing? Russell's heading up as well. Yep. Gold continues to dip down. It's sniffed. Yeah, it got up to 1989, which was a very good Taylor Swift album. But now falling back again. It can't get back up to 2000. It's just been stuck. I mean, for quite a while now between 1900 and 2000. Even, I mean, not even. I mean, it's even tighter range than that. That's begging me for attention as we watch NQ rise up here, 15,678. ES up to 45.78. No real news catalyst today, so it's all going to be on its own. Hey, Sid. Oh, hey, Sid, I will get that email I promise, for your friend out either later today or tomorrow for sure. And Top Step's now put a end date on their sale. It's Tuesday, August 1st at 11:59 p.m. Central. Rising up. ES and NQ at their high day. Obviously, I could have stayed in for more, but I was just working on trying to recover most of the loss from the loss I took just 2 minutes before that. Honestly, the strategy would have been, or the strategy that I backtest, put it that way, is putting the stop at the very bottom of the trigger candle. So, wow, I got it perfect. And then shooting for 2 to 1, so I've been looking for 126, not 1216. That'll be a little bit more, too many. 26. See if we get that. Yeah, I agree. I'm curious about that as well. Even if I could swing trade, I wouldn't this weekend for sure. Do want to thank everyone for hitting the like button so far. Reminder, if you are enjoying or expect to enjoy the stream, appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button. You missed me answering it, I'm mad. The two that come to the top of mind for uh, no activation fees on end of day is earn to trade. They have no activation fee. They do have data fees, but they also, when you go live, when you is when you get the data fees, but it also switches to intraday trailing, and then trade day, but they only have Tradovate. That's okay, no problem. I don't. There might be one other one. I gotta look. Give me a second. We can't take a gander. No activation fees. I'm not sure about take profit trader. No, it's Elite Trader funding I'm at, not trade day. That blocked me. Okay, I wasn't sure. I haven't dived big into Take Profit to find out all their stuff. So yeah, there's not many. Basically, it's only earn the trade, and then the problem. Well, earn the trade has intraday trailing once you go live, but you can always transfer your live sim earnings over to live, so you did not um don't have to worry about that. But that's only on the Gauntlet Minis, not on the Trader Career Path accounts. But we'll pull back here after getting up to 685. Right. It happens to me once a day. They make me relog in once a day on TradingView. Now on the actual Tradovate platform, it's as long as I don't lose internet, they don't make me relog in. Hmm. That's odd. Yeah, for me it's always every 24 hours. So whenever I've last logged in, I know I'll be logged out again. Can be a little disconcerting in a trade. How's everybody's week been? Are y'all green for the week? A mystery I'm at. I know they said they'll have end of day drawdown. They are uh, they've been taking suggestions on their Discord. I think they might be considering a static, but I'm not sure. Um, but other than that, no, nothing's set in stone yet that I've seen. All I know is they definitely said it will not be an intraday trailing drawdown, and they've been hammering Apex on Twitter about their intraday drawdown. Well, they're announcing the launch date today. So we'll know when it's launching sometime today. Now, Top Step's change today might even make them rethink some of their plans again. Honestly, I'm not sure how much of a buzz they need. I'm at considering, they're already up to 12,000 followers on Twitter. Their Discord is, I think, approaching 10, like 5,000. I'm not even sure. I don't remember how many they have now. But yeah, like their Twitter already has more followers than any prop firm beside any futures prop firm besides Top Step, and they're right behind Top Step. And they're not even launched yet. So beautiful move up here after this bounce that caught me trying to go short, and then they recover long. About a 45-point bounce. As we head toward our only news of the day, which I don't expect to do much. Canadian retail sales. We get to find out how many moose pelts are selling in stores. Not feeling well, guys. So 1 for 2 already this morning, down 36 bucks. Thanks to the slippage I got on getting when I got stopped out on the first trade. Gonna see what my funded futures Discord is saying about Top Steps change for this morning. Doesn't look like they're saying anything. By the way, Bowlinox has a sale again on all their accounts. Their summer sale. 25K accounts are 42 bucks, 50K accounts are 48 bucks, and the 100K accounts are 64. And that includes the end of day or the intraday trailing. Yeah, I agree. Kind of leveling out here at 15,688. ES at 45.82. Dow still showing some strength here, up to 35,457. There's 8:30. Then, like I said, I didn't expect the news to really move the market, and you can see that it's really not. Pulling back here a bit. Not much. This is only a 2-point candle. And now it's trying to send the blue candle. Let's see what happens. Got 2 minutes on this candle yet. As we're less than an hour till the bell. And keep trying to get back up to 15,700 here. Minute on this candle. I have a extra script on iMad. I get more signals than you do. Eh. I haven't compared, whether or not that's a good thing or a bad thing. I think it's a good thing that I have more, but give me a second here. Take a gander. I believe. Let's see if I turn that off. Boom. No, wrong one. Turn that one on. That's the one you have. So it has these down here. It did not have that one. See the comparison. Not too much different. but a few extras. And you trying to pull back. So see, that blue candle wasn't good anyway, so. And maybe it's still trying to creep up. Definitely kind of stalling here. Took a trade of my Apex account. You can see it there on the right hand side. It's my Apex static. Took it on the Dow YM. It's up 7 points, 6 points. Swear, as soon as I show a trade, it starts going against me. Oh yeah, there's the, yep. So I was wrong, that blue candle is being good on NQ. Though it's struggling. Dow doesn't have a lot of oomph either. Let's see if NQ can get up to 15,700 and laugh at me for not taking that trade. What did the Ultra Bond do at its open? The Ultra Bond, oh, set new daily highs. We have Ultra Bond, no JC right now. Where he's at. See, Dow's continuing to move up for me. Little whip up there. Yep. Whips up, but coils back. And Q hit 699 half. Yes, you can, as long as you're on a Tradovate. Uh, as long as you're on a Tradovate platform and not NinjaTrader, not a rhythmic connection. And good morning, Frank. That said, I find that trading right off a trading view gives me bad fills, and I prefer to trade off the Tradovate platform and manage my trades with TradingView. Yep, back down to my entry. I closed it for break even. I think we're seeing a pullback here. Gold took a dip there. Dip, 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 dip. Copper bouncing off yesterday's lows. Crude daily high. Natural gas falling. 15-minute chart is where it should have been on the Dow. Nice big blue candle there. Scams? What scams? You continue to try and move up. I might have dipped out too early on that Dow trade. Well, here's the thing. I mean, then you need to get rid of NinjaTrader too, because Tradovate is owned by NinjaTrader. Excuse me one second. About that back. So yeah, Tradovate's having issues. It's not a scam. It's just that I don't think they've been able to keep up with the increase in growth on the platform, and I think that's why you're seeing lots of issues. But Tradovate's now owned by NinjaTrader, has been for the last 18 months. So if you're not gonna, NinjaTrader, Unless you think both NinjaTrader and Tradovate are plotting scams against the traders, then calling it a scam is a little bit of a misnomer. I think they just neither. I don't think they've been able to keep up with the growth that the props have sent at them over the last year. Tradovate used to be, everyone couldn't wait for Tradovate to come in because of how bad Rhythmic was and the Rhythmic connections. And now it just seems like I see that honestly both Tradovate and Rhythmic need to upgrade their infrastructure, and they just haven't. The prop firms have grown over the last 2 years exponentially, and I don't think the data providers have done the same. Even though I'm sure the data providers are making money hand over fist too. Now we have my funded futures that's coming on Tradovate as well, and they look like they're going to be huge. So I think that's going to put even more stress on the system. Yeah, I wish Rhythmic would integrate with TradingView, but so far they don't. We are still pulling back, although look at Dow. Dow's showing me another blue candle, so I did get out of that trade too early. We are about 40 minutes until the bell. No more news catalysts this morning. Well, no real news catalysts at all. I think we're gonna chop around some. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. Gold still trying to pop down. Ultra Bond having a fun morning. That's weird. It won't blow up on me. Come on. There we go. That figures. There. The Ultra Bond. Thank you, Frank. Glad you're here. There we go again. Look at the. Yep, I definitely got out of too early out of YM. I would be up $100 now. Oops. And Q showing some green as well. ES still at 45.85. And Q trying to send me a long signal. Apex Trader Funding summer sale is still going on until July 31st. Remember, you can have up to 20 accounts. Look at those prices. A 50K account just $33. 300K account just $131. Add $2 per account if you want Tradovate instead of Rhythmic. Check the link in Nightbot being posted in the chat or in the video description below. Get in before the 31st. Not that there won't be another sale sometime after that, but still, get in before the 31st. Yeah, it was stupid of me to get out there. And actually, I'll be honest, I didn't plan to get out there. I had my finger on the close button and my finger twitched. And so it decided to get out for me. You know, it dipped down to 55. I was in at 60. So yeah, I could have got a nice win out of that, but that's okay. Now I need to decide whether I want to take this long signal here if it holds on the NQ. Wow, look at Dow running. Yes, showing strength too. It's made a new high day. And Q's unsure of itself. It's like it's trying to decide if it wants to sniff that 200, yeah, 15,700. Hey John, how you doing? On which prop firm, Frank? It's giving back that candle. Are you talking Apex? You can choose between a monthly or a one-time payment. Yeah, yep. For all of their accounts, you can choose between either a monthly payment or a one-time payment. Oh, wait a minute. I assume you mean when you get funded? That, I'm sorry. If you're talking about evaluation, then yeah, it's always the evaluations are always monthly payments. Once you get funded, then there's an activation fee that's between you can choose between a monthly and a one time. But for evaluations on all the prop firms, it's always a monthly payment. That's awesome, John. Let me know if I confused you, Frank, because I might have confused myself. Okay. We're long off this blue candle. About a 6 point stop. Yeah, 6 point stop on it. See if we can get up to 700. Eh, better than me, John. I was in YM and it came back to break even and I jumped out and then it went up. Best toppings to add to a hamburger? I'm a simple guy. Cheese, and if I'm gonna use condiments, I like mayo. Or if I'm not gonna use mayo, I like a mixture of ketchup and mustard. But since I'm carnivore, I mostly just stick to cheese. Especially since I'm trying to avoid any soybean products, so most mayo has soybean in it now. Pulling back on me. Yeah, I think that's the sign that the algos really hate us. Good morning, Burrow. That's looking good for you so far. Now we're green. Can we kind of continue breaking up? See, and that's interesting because a lot of people will say they won't even trade on Fridays because it ends up being their worst day. Top of the hour. Kind of made me nervous to stay in, maybe, and maybe I should have taken profits here, but we'll see. See if we could. It's butting up against 699 again. Can it not break 700? Hanging here right below 700. Part of me wants to take profit. There's 700. There's the break. My target's at 704. It's kind of arbitrary. There's 701.25. Oh, hit 702. I stopped the break even. There's more strong hourly candles last hour. Having trouble breaking through 15,700. Pulling back under again. Ouch. Well, was up $100. Now I'm only up 20. A little green there as we get toward the end of the candle that tries to get back up to 700. Now, I mean, eh. There we go. I was ready to get out of that trade, and I'm still in now, and now we're seeing. Well, we did see some movement up. It's really butting up against 700, so I think I don't know. See that I totally agree with, G. Totally agree with it. We might stop up to the wick of that bottom of the wick of that last candle. Oh, ouch. Where'd that purple come from? Hey, Ace. Well, dang it. Oh, there we go. Come on. Go for one more good push. Yeah, I kind of like that idea right there, G. Although I don't like the fact that they seem to. There we go. Target hit. Boom. Shakalaka. In at 15. I should have kept my target at the original spot because I would have got full 10 points. But instead we got 5 3/4. I just don't like that they seem to have insider information like they did with COVID. So there's our win. We're back to green on the day, up 113.26. And pulls back after hitting 17. Wow, I could have got a lot more out of that, huh? That's okay. Dow. By the way, since I got into the Dow, it's going up 40 points. Got in and got out, anyway, I should say. Again, no news catalyst. Bell rings in 20 minutes. How you doing today, Ace? Sorry, I was in that trade. It really kind of brushed you off. Gold continues to fall. Ultra bond pull back. Copper is kind of there. Crude oil big dump at its open. Awesome. Continuing to move up. Giving John his trend. I mean, this has already been, I mean, since our move down here, we've come up about 50 points. Okay, pulling back a tad. Yeah. And it looks like there's going to be no end in sight with that war, so. Crypticon, how you doing today? Yeah. Uh, War games? Remember Matthew Broderick? Hey Jay, how you doing? It's going all right. Kind of choppy again after that move up. Now we're kind of sideways. Mine's just the ox machine. Yep, didn't know that, but I never watched. I never seen the Breakfast Club. We're just kind of hanging here. Reminder, folks, if you're enjoying today's stream, I appreciate if you hit the thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. Show you like me. You really like me. Blue Sky Trading Company announces a new static drawdown account. They call it the Static Growth Account, and it might be the best static account of any of the 12 major futures prop firms. The evaluation, almost no rules. Hit the $2,000 profit target. Don't hit the $800 static drawdown. There's no consistency rule. There's no daily loss limit. There's no minimum trading days. Your static drawdown means it doesn't move. It's not intraday. It's not end of day. It's static. You're limited to 5 micros. Build up on that. Hit your profit target. Go to funded. There you'll start with 1 mini or 10 micros, however you prefer to trade. And you will continue to rise up as long as you show you're consistently trading well. They'll continue to increase your size up to 20 minis. Like I said, best static on the market. I think most other statics that are out there limit you to like 2 contracts. So get on in on this. They say it's possibly limited to the amount of people. So jump on this now. $199, and the link is in the video description below. Something to be excited about. It's a great time to be a futures prop trader. Well, of course, Ace, you can always ask any question about anything. See a blue candle here. All right, Burrow, I turned it up some. Man, I'm not sure I'm gonna. There's a better chance I'm gonna have an answer about blue sky Ace versus like thermonuclear dynamics. The Amazon basin averages an extraordinary 6 to 10 feet of rainfall. Franklin Scott Key for the Star Spangled Banner. Okay, we can stop. What's your question about blue sky? And have you been introduced to Chat GPT? Warren Spahn. I think I'm at Warren Spahn. Baseball questions I'm very good at. Yes, you pass the evaluation, and then you're funded, and just like any other evaluation, yeah, I mean any other prop thing, correct? You have to reach the profit target before hitting your drawdown, and then you get funded, and then you can start taking withdrawals. It can be as Ace. It can be as little as 5 days. It depends on how long it takes you to hit your profit target. As little as I forget the minimum day. I think it's 5 days on that one. But yeah, however long it takes you to hit the $2,000 profit target. Gold dropping hard. Gold's dropping hard. Burrow on Blue Sky, not long at all. How you go into their live sim after you get funded, and you can take out a withdrawal. I want to say almost right away, or once you reach the $2,000 target on the live sim, and then you move to an actual live account. And we are 5 minutes to the bell. Good question, and I'm not sure. Um, I know they said you do your live sim and then you move to the live account. So I know with Earn to Trade you can remove money from your live sim, and obviously Top Step you can. I'll have to check with Josh on exactly how that works. But yeah, Blue Sky is one of the best in the business. Obviously, you don't want to be removing money too fast, or you end up blowing your account anyway. One of the biggest mistakes traders make is making too big of withdrawals too fast, leaving themselves with zero cushion, zero drawdown, and then they blow their account. Yeah, you're actually when you first get funded, you're still paper trading, but you're actually can withdraw from it for the first 2,000, I think, or if that's on that account that I was just advertising, and then you move to an actual live real money account. Yes. Yes. Several of the firm. Well, I mean, almost all of the firms do that. Trade Day is the only one that doesn't. Some never put you on a live account, and it's all sim money. It is because here's the thing. This is why they go to a live sim or paper trading, because most people when they get onto the funded account blow their account. So it actually saves them money if they blow it on a sim account versus if they put you on a live account and you blow their $2,000 of their money. Hey, Philip. So they're actually you got to remember, like less than 20% of people that ever get funded actually do well enough to get to payout. Big drop here right before the bell. Less than 2 minutes to go. Back down to the 20 period EMA. So yeah, it's very sustainable. I've been doing the math with Apex for a while. Yeah, yes, Tony. I saw that too. Tony Bennett has passed away at the age of 96. Let's just see what we get from today with no news catalysts. The NQ rebalancing over the weekend coming up. That's an ugly looking truck. And ding, 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 ding. And we're down a little, down 14. Dow's down a little. ES down a little. Yeah. High cost rental units. So we're dipping. I should have taken a short. I've been noticing if I get a trigger candle before the bell, it often works. Hey, Bruce, how you doing? Down 22 points. ES down 4, down to 45.78. Yeah, it could still trend. It's just a pullback right now. I mean, this could be starting an all afternoon trend of being down, but wow, 30 points. Down to its 100 EMA. Bouncing on it. Safe. Oh, we're not we're not talking baseball. Play at the plate. Out. Sorry. Nice, Sid. Very beautiful. What's agriculture doing? Ooh, agriculture booming up. NQ bouncing all the way back up. I shouldn't say all the way, but it's giving up over half the candle. Yes, Burl. Wow, and now we're green. What a bounce. Dow's green as well. ES still red. Wow, went to a blue candle. Oh, pull back though. No longer blue. Maybe still a trend day, Burl. Just with a massive pullback in between. We dipped from 717 all the way down to 656, so about a 60-point drop. And we're back up to 705. And we're trying to head toward high of day. Wow, 715, there's high of day. ES is also green now. This candle now, it has a 60 point, over 60 point range. 20 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Theoretically a trigger candle, but I don't like it. So it ends up closing up 18 and 3/4. Let's see where we go from here. Just kind of doesn't know where it wants to go now. Hanging above 700. ES trying to charge up there up to 45.81. Dow back up to 35.470. Agriculture exploding. I didn't take that, and I should have on the Top Step account. And back down on the NQ here. Back under 700. It doesn't know what it wants to do. This is choppa. Gold bounced. Ultra bond, slight new daily high on this candle. Crude oil trying to bounce. Copper sideways. And now that maybe that trend day's going away again, Burl. It's very bipolar today. Bouncing again. You see both these wicks have come down to that 100 EMA, that maroon colored line right there, and almost bounced perfectly off of them. Let's see if it does it again. I mean, it bounced down. Let's see if it comes back down toward it. See if we can break it. VWAP is just under there, I believe. Yeah, VWAP's at that same area, as is Bollinger Band. Kind of a major intersection. Should have some traffic lights there. Guess we kind of do, red and green. Coming down. Can it break? Can it break? Looks like the answer is maybe. Nope, bouncing again. All right, that ended up being a 47-point candle. Dow's actually a blue candle on that one. But the next candle's been red so far. Burst through VWAP. But right back up. Hanging right above both VWAP and the 100 EMA. Big bounce here. Back up to 15,677. ES at 45.79. ES is also bouncing on its 100 EMA. Climbing back up. ES is not green on this candle, and it's a huge purple on Dow. NQ is the only one showing green right now. And it's giving its green away. Back to red. Still can't get through that 100 EMA. Still above it. 45.77 now in ES. Or was. Touch 45.77. Now 45.78. Oh, right back up. Wow, another bounce off those averages. Wow, ouch. Kathy Wood used to look like such a genius. Big purple there on the YM. Meanwhile, Dow's back up to its 20 almost. Let's see if it bounces off of it. Nope, straight through, straight up. Straight up. Now can you tell me, will you love me forever? Trying to get back up to 15,700. Boom, shakalaka. You can see how it came and met these uprising bands, and that can often be a sign that we're going to bounce back up, at least for a short term. Didn't hurt that the VWAP and the 100 EMA was also there. Yeah, I wish I had taken a purple candle, but the fact that it went up and then back down didn't give me any warm and fuzzy feelings about it. Wow, look at this, back above 700 for NQ. So maybe the trend day is back on, Burl. Last time I said that, we had a purple candle that fell 50 points. Well, never mind. Now we're back to red. I'm going to stop talking about that trend day, Burl, if you're still listening, because it just keeps, they can't decide what it wants to do. Trying again. Another purple candle here. 90 seconds left on it. Breaking the 100, breaking the VWAP. Can it hold below it? Ooh, big move below it now. Now it might be able to hold below it. Wow. 34-point candle here. Well into the bands. I don't like that. Bending those bands. Twenty seconds on this candle, and I just can't take it because I don't like candles that are into the band. You can see it's lower than that third band, more ripe for a possible bounce here. So I'm not taking this candle. Bounces a bit right before the candle closes. See, there's the bounce. Sad I missed those moves on agriculture. Copper still choppy. Gold's choppy now too. Ultra bond kind of choppy. Everything's kind of choppy. Crude's trying to move down. This is what I expected with finishing in those bands like that. Expected a green candle. Let's see if it continues to move up. Oh, now red. It may prove me wrong. Looks like it might. Oh, pushing down. Might just ride these bands down. I don't know. Yep, we're free falling. Free falling. Purple candle on the one. ES down to 45.69. Dow down to 35.168. And Q bouncing. That was the bounce I was afraid of right there. But it would have given me 10 points first. So we're 2 for 3 on the day so far. Looking for other entries. Looking at that 1 minute chart, I could have probably grabbed something. I'm not as secure on the 1 minute anymore. Yeah, I was muted there, talking to myself. It was a perfect purple candle there on the 5 minute on crude, but I'm not able to watch everything, unfortunately. I needed a trading assistant. And there's a blue candle. Trying to pop back up. Got blue on the Dow there. I mean, no, I'm sorry, on the ES as well. Bounce there on YM on the 15. What did I do? Oh. Good luck with that, G. YM trying to send another purple candle there. It's not going down fast. It's been kind of sideways for the last 15 minutes since that big move down. That's excellent, Ace. Did a great job. It's kind of pausing here. You can see we're not sure where we want to go. Yep, still going down now. Damn it. 45.70 on ES. Dow's popping back up though, but Yep, top of the hour. Little pop up there as we get to the top of the hour. Still coming down. Down to 15,606, 604. What was yesterday's lows? Or actually, last night's lows? 15,554. So we still got a ways to go there. ES down to 45.68. Its low overnight was 61.75. Low yesterday 57.25. Wow, big drop. Down under 15,600. There's that uh, ace. There's 45.66. Just a free fall. Absolutely ace. We see here we're getting my little indicator here with the two down here below. Getting the blue, getting the lava. I want to show you something from yesterday. I mentioned this same setup yesterday. So let's turn back time. And yesterday, as we were talking, I mentioned that same setup here. And if you remember, I chickened out and got out here. And you can see this would have totally worked if I hadn't chickened out, if I had stayed in. This setup works very well. But alas, I chickened out. So let's see what happens today. See if we get any kind of a bounce here. Exactly, Ace. You did good. A little bit of a bounce there. ES back up to 45.6875. And Q hanging right around 15,600. There's a bounce. They have seven-figure accounts, and they don't mind losing or giving back some at times. Dow's giving me a purple candle that I like. Candle. Expected launch date for my funded futures is mid-August. Oh, they're gonna have Tradovate NinjaTrader trading via Tradovate. Mid-August, and that's about it. So not even a set date yet. It's kind of a nothing announcement. With I expected a set date, not mid-August. Mid-August technically could fit anywhere between the 10th and the 20th. And because they don't give a set date, they can always push it back again. All my money is in the bank account. All like $10 of it. I don't use cash at all. I sit here in front of the computer all day, every day. I don't believe in heroes. I sit the same place I sit now when it's lightning. I don't really like corn. Dow, back up the green. Yes, 45.71. We don't need another hero. uh, Should have taken this long. I thought about it. It wasn't a blue candle, but everything else lined up. No, I shouldn't say I don't like corn. It's okay, but it's all carbs and it's not really good for you. Not even. I mean, they claim it's a vegetable. It's not really a vegetable. It's really a grain. Taking along here, based on the 1 minute chart. Ah, wow, that quick. Really? Come on. Don't do that to me. Really? Really? It was up 6 points and then pulled back. There we go. Coming back, though. Coming back. I got your message, Chase. As soon as I'm out of this trade, I'll share it. I need NQ to look at ES and see what it's doing and follow. Nope, stopped out. So back to red today by 92 bucks. Dang it. How about that? Back up. John, keto. You need to do keto. So, uh, Sid is going to be on a podcast, apparently, Real Talk podcast. Confessions with a Millionaire. Learning about money from millionaires themselves. Sid Chase. Looks like July 27th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, can this be found wherever podcasts are? Or is there a specific place for this, Sid? Came down, stopped me out, and then immediately went back up. All right. I'll make sure to post that link. So I just got in at the wrong time there. Ah, frustrating. All right, Sid. So, John, are you on medication for your diabetes or insulin or anything? All right. See ya. Let us know how it goes, John. Maybe they'll give you some of that new stuff that everyone's losing weight with. Ozempic. So I got stopped out even though it went up. I just got in at the wrong time. I'm sure he's type 2. Yeah, he's on type 2 if he's only on metformin. Type 1 have to use insulin. Excuse me 1 second. Back. Again, having too tight of a stop is what hurt me there. Ah, that's a good thing, I guess. See dealer for details. And let's look at Dow going again. Dow has really been the belle of the ball lately. Probably not G. I don't feel the need that I have to go to the bathroom. Actually, RJ was here right when the stream started. Said he wasn't going to be here today. He's helping a friend move. Have a great day, Ace. See you next week. Strong move down here, 27-point candle. Bounced off VWAP. 37-point candle, 40-point candle. And bouncing a little bit there. Oops. 50-point candle. Short MNQ. I went short 5 MNQs. Oops. I Okay, we'll watch it on the 1-minute chart. That wasn't my intention, but okay. See how we do. Oh, you know what? I don't have a stop on this. It's too big of a stop, but I'll adjust here in a minute. Come on, shoot down for me. Nothing else is going right today. Shot down, shot back up. Let me move this stop better. There we go. A gully washer, huh? Ah. Looks like it wants to bounce. Maybe not. There we go. Now I'm liking what I see. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, this is awesome. Look at that. Look at that. I got out with 4, still in with 1, moving. Oops, gotta fix that stop. Stop here. Nope, we're gonna get out. Never mind, it's pulling back. So there we go. Now we're green for the day. Up 148.98. That was a good trade. Ended up with, I can't see. There we go. Ended up with 26 points on the one, and then 18 on the other. And I should have stayed in. If I put my stop there, you can see it's still going down now. So, Wow. Just look at that beautiful, beautiful candle down 29 points. And we're at 563. Low a day was 554. It's almost there now. Just broke it. New low a day. Low of yesterday was 547. Let's see if it breaks that. ES not at its low a day yet, but it's getting close. You must be raking in the money, Mr. G, on that 0 day, however that works. Still going down. So I could have got more out of it, but I'm not upset. Yep, 10:30 Eastern. Possible bounce here now. And the 30-point bounce here. Gold still kind of choppy. All the metals seem choppy. Ultra bond seems choppy. Everything seems like choppy today. Crude bouncing up. Yep, Nasdaq came close to yesterday's low, but bouncing here. And so did California. Nice rise up here. And I thought about taking this because we are blue and lava down here, and I didn't give me a blue candle though, so it wasn't the optimal setup. But yeah, nice bounce. Still coming up. So it's come back up the entire 40-point candle almost. Running against the 20. Pulling back now. Again. Apex Trader Funding summer sale is still going on until July 31st. Remember, you can have up to 20 accounts. Look at those prices. A 50K account, just $33. 300K account, just $131. Add $2 per account if you want Tradovate instead of Rhythmic. Check the link in Nightbot being posted in the chat or in the video description below. Get in before the 31st. Not that there won't be another sale sometime after that, but still, get in before the 31st. Back down. At least here on the NASDAQ, S&P still showing a green candle, as is the Dow. Pushing back down. Is it going to hit? Is it going to hit yesterday's lows? We shall see. Nice little pop up here. Kind of sideways. Waiting to see what it wants to do. We have about 18 minutes left to go in stream. I want to thank everyone for being here today. Appreciate it. If you haven't hit that thumbs up button, I would appreciate that too. Wow, that's a big number. You're welcome for what? What was that, Crypticon? Oh, yeah. Yeah. I was confused there for a minute, Crypt. Handle here. Pull him back. Hey, Freighter, it's been a while. How you been, Freighter? You can see this blue candle. I didn't like the blue candle. It's my setup, but that wick was bigger than the body. I didn't like it. I should have liked it. You can see, boom. So we did kind of see the reversal here at 10:30 Eastern. Not a full reversal, but it's up by 50 points. G, are you still in those 0 days, or did you get out? I'm doing all right, Freighter. Thanks. Remember, gotta remember, Freighter's also from Europe. I don't remember which country. Yeah, back up by now. This is a big move up. Back above 15,600 near 15,620. ES is back up to 45.76. Estonia. That I knew. I couldn't remember. It touched the 20, pulled back. Wow, not the question I was expecting there, G. 10 minutes ago in stream. Right now we're up on the day by 148. Looking for more, but not sure I'm going to get it. Pull back. I find soccer very boring. So pull back by 20 points after getting up to the 20. reacted calmly, so they didn't start panicking when they realized they're all going to starve. Copper's been a slow grind downish, but not really moving much. Take it you're not much of a sports fan at all there, Freighter? Gold heading down. Silver heading down. Ultra bond's just a mess. Crude oil, big bounce. So up, back down. I don't think our egg prices are going to come down any further. They've sort of stabilized where they're at now. So remember next week, FOMC is on Wednesday. See whether or not they raise interest rates again. We have Monday has a bit of news with S&P services, PMI flash, manufacturing PMI flash, etc. Tuesday is U.S. consumer confidence, and Wednesday is FOMC. Though for some reason Financial Juice does not have it on the calendar. And a whole bunch of news on Thursday. ECB rate decision, U.S. durable goods, U.S. GDP quarter over quarter, pending home sales, Kansas City Fed manufacturing, and Friday a whole bunch of stuff too. U.S. PCE price index and U.S. consumer spending. So it should be a fun week next week. Yep, I see that. Boom, boom, boom. The bearish thought. So we've reached the 11 o'clock hour. Do want to thank everyone for joining me here today and this week. We'll be back on Monday at 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I'm going to try and get some videos produced over the weekend, so watch for those as well. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day. Then have a great weekend. And we'll see you Monday. See you then. Bye. Thank everyone for joining me today. If you've enjoyed today's content, hope you've hit that like button. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love for you to do so and join the herd. As a reminder, we do stream every weekday morning starting at 7:30 a.m. and we usually go to around 11 a.m. We will also love to have you join our Discord community of both veteran traders and newer traders, prop traders and non-prop traders, all interacting about trading and just general stuff as well. In addition, follow our social media for other updates. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram is the same, MightyOxTrading, and Reddit is r Ox Market Trading. Hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.